It's Sunday. Here's what you might have missed this week. Political double murder in Minnesota. A city council candidate and a campaign staffer were shot dead near Minneapolis. Police have named a suspect and launched a manhunt. 241 killed in an Indian plane crash. Only one survivor pulled from the wreckage after a devastating crash. Investigation is ongoing. Greta Gaza aid ship intercepted. Israel forces boarded the activist vessel Mandalene before it could deliver supplies to Gaza. Ukraine uses fake huts to destroy Russian bombers. Wooden decoy villages fooled Russian jets, then their air defenses took them out. Deadly floods hit Texas and Nigeria. 11 killed in Texas, 4 still missing. In Nigeria, the toll passes 200 with hundreds unaccounted for. World refugee population hits 120 million. UNHCR sounds alarm as displacement hits record high, but funding drops. Shell critics pardons sparks anger in Nigeria. A symbolic gesture decades after executions, survivors call it insulting. Lost Syrian temple found beneath rubble. A contractor rebuilding a home discovered ancient ruins buried beneath war-torn land. Child labor falling, except in Africa. New data shows global decline, but sub-Saharan Africa sees a worrying rise. Gold toilet thieves sentenced. 4 British men are jailed for stealing a 6 million solid gold toilet. Stalin